Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi launched the Redmi Note 8 Pro, Redmi Note 8 alongside the MiUi 11. The company claims that it has removed and eliminated many of the UI elements to deliver a new minimalistic design. There are also new colors on the interface to look more like an organic natural skin. Further, MiUi 11 is touted to provide an ultimate full-screen experience along with a dedicated system-wide dark mode, a move to counter the stock Android 10 and Apple's iOS 13 that both come with a native dark mode. And also it has many more features, but let's not talk about that and get into its MiUi 11 update rollout plan. Xiaomi will release MiUi 11 Global Stable ROM for a total of 28 devices, with the rollout for the first batch commencing on October 22nd and ends on October 31st. Phase 1 covers the total of 7 phones and it covers mostly the Redmi 7 series and few others. So let's begin. It has Redmi 7, Redmi Note 7, Redmi Note 7S, Redmi Note 7 Pro, Poco F1. Yes, Poco F1 is a star and is among the first to receive the updates. And then comes Redmi K20 and finally Redmi Y3. Now you might be wondering why not Redmi K20 Pro or the latest launch Redmi Note 8 series. Even I am asking the same question to myself. Coming to the next phase, it starts from November 4th and ends on November 12th. Devices in this list include Redmi K20 Pro, Redmi 4, Redmi 5, 5A, Redmi 6, 6A and 6 Pro, Redmi Note 4, Redmi Note 5 and 5 Pro, Redmi Y1 and Y1 Lite, Mi Mix 2 and Mi Max 2. Then comes Phase 3. The penultimate phase will run from November 13th to November 29th. Devices part of this update cycle include Redmi 7A, Redmi 8 and 8A, Redmi Note 6 Pro and Redmi Note 8, which has been launched recently. The final phase of MiUi 11 updates, that is Phase 4, includes only the Redmi Note 8 Pro, which has a long wait till any time between December 18th and 26th. The dates however may be subject to change since this update list is subject to final network and device testing schedules. With MiUi 11, features such as dynamic font scaling, new always-on display presence, dynamic speakers and more have been rolled out, along with a redesigned interface that Xiaomi claims has made it the first ever smartphone company to win the Red Dot Design Award for smartphone software. And that's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, peace out.